5 crucial local SEO mistakes small businesses make every day. Why should you watch this video? Avoid these key errors to improve your visibility, attract more traffic, and increase sales. And why listen to me? I'm Tom Liu. I've been doing websites and SEO since 2018, specifically for local businesses, and one of my clients tripled annual revenue, mainly thanks to SEO and website optimization. So stick around if you want to learn more about it. Number 1. Not owning your Google business profile. The first and possibly the most critical mistake is not having full ownership or access to your Google business profile, whether it's not claiming your profile at all or failing to maintain access. This oversight can significantly impact your business's visibility. Not listing your Google business profile at all means you virtually have no chance of appearing in local search results when someone searches for your business, products, or services. An astonishing 56% of local businesses have yet to claim their Google business profile. According to Think with Google, 76% of people who conduct a local search on their smartphone visit a physical place within 24 hours, and 28% of those searches result in a purchase. Also, 88% of people who conduct a local search on their smartphone visit a related store within a week. If you don't claim or actively manage your Google business profile, you're likely missing out on potential leads every single day. Another scenario to consider under mistake number 1 is if you've asked an agency or consultant to claim your profile and delegated ownership to them. This arrangement can put you at risk if they mishandle your account, go out of business, or if your relationship ends. Getting back into your profile can be a real headache and take a lot of time, messing up how you manage your online presence. How to fix it? Watch my video on how to claim a Google business profile and ask your service provider to make you the primary owner of your Google business profile. Mistake number 2, incomplete Google business profile. A fully detailed profile helps Google better understand and accurately showcase your business, increasing your chance of ranking higher and getting visibility in local searches. How to fix it? With your Google account logged in, click on the grid icon in the top right corner and click on the business icon. If you manage only one location, it directs you immediately to your Google business profile dashboard. Then click on Edit Profile. Make sure every section of your profile is completed. The About, Contact, Location, and Our sections are pretty much the same for every business, but then you might have the More section personalized for your business category. Mistake number 3, not enough photos and videos. How many photos and videos have you uploaded to your Google business profile? How many do you think you should have? Stop for a second and try to answer. Research shows that businesses with more than 100 photos get significantly more engagement and visibility. How to fix it? So make sure to regularly upload high-quality visual content to drastically improve your local SEO results. Pro tip: search on Google Images your business keywords, dentist, dental clinic, lawyer, accountant, etc. to get an idea of what Google considers relevant photos to rank higher. Mistake number 4, poor review management. Failing to actively ask for or respond to customer reviews, especially negative ones, can severely impact your online reputation. Google uses both the number and quality of reviews to determine rankings, meaning businesses with many positive reviews tend to appear higher in search results compared to competitors with fewer or less favorable reviews. How to fix it? Identify key moments in your business to ask for reviews and how. You can request reviews by including your Google review link in follow-up emails, WhatsApp messages, and QR codes on cards or invoices. Track how often you ask and how many reviews you receive to find the most effective times. Pro tip: when asking for and responding to reviews, use strategic keywords. For example, if you run a coffee shop in New York, you could reply to a review with, "Thanks for savoring our signature espresso at our coffee shop in New York." This not only reinforces your location-based keywords, but also enhances your relevance in local searches. Mistake number 5, neglecting localized website content. Not having localized SEO pages on your website is a huge missed opportunity. Each page should target local keywords. For example, if you're a dentist in New York City, your website content could specifically target terms like Manhattan Cosmetic Dentist, Brooklyn Emergency Dental Services, or Queens Pediatric Dentistry. These pages target specific neighborhood search queries for dental services, ensuring your site ranks highly when potential patients search near you. How to fix it? Determine the main services or products you offer and target specific local areas. For your local area, write down a list of popular streets and adjacent neighborhoods that could realistically come to your business. Combine your main services and products with all the local areas you have written. Create a specific SEO page for each keyword and integrate it throughout the content. This process deserves a detailed how to create a local SEO page guide, which I'll provide in a future video. For more insights on boosting your local SEO, make sure to subscribe and set notifications for my next videos. Also, check out the resources links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.